Now that you have completed your picture graph, I want you to reflect over it. Does yours look like mine? Did you make sure to have a title? Did you make sure to insert a key? This one was the first one. If you didn't choose this one, let's look at the next one. Did you make sure on your other one, did you have a title? And did you have a key? Do your ice creams look like mine? Let's also look at our ratio table. I know if I had 2 kids, we were representing that with 1 ice cream cone. If I had 2 ice cream cones, I represented that with 4 kids. If I had 6 kids, I represented that with 3 cones. If I had 8 kids, I represented that with 4 cones. If I had 10 kids, I represented that with 5 cones. So your ratio table should look like mine. The last thing that you are going to do is you are going to be turning your picture graph into a bar graph. We know that each cone stands for 2 students. You will be able to keep that same scale in your bar graph when you're coloring in the cells on Kami. What are some similarities and differences between the picture graph and the bar graph? You're going to answer that in this gray box. I want to know some similarities and some differences between the picture graph and the bar graph. When you've answered that question, move on to page 63 and complete page 63.